So a massively popular segment in South Africa. We've gathered 13 of this market's compact SUVs together. This is SUV Shootout. Is your favorite car here? We've got Koreans, we've got an Indian brand, we've got the Japanese, and of course we've got the Chinese and a German. Look out for updates in the coming weeks and a full feature in the July issue of Car Magazine, proudly brought to you by Continental. So welcome to day 2 of the 2025 Car Magazine SUV Shootout. We spent the night at the beautiful Africamps in Stanford Hills. Day 2 started with something I didn't think I'd be doing again in a hurry. Thanks to our friends at Nula, we have a fold-away pram and an ISOFIX car seat. We put it in the boots of all the cars, installed it in the back seats just to see how they compare in terms of space and size. And then we're going to head out on a short route just to get fuel consumption. We're going to go over a little bit of gravel just to see the suspension compliance in each vehicle. It all goes into compiling what it should be a very interesting SUV shootout.